Hi everyone, I'm going to walk you through how to use the simulation. I know the sub went through each of the steps, but sometimes listening and then following with the video kind of helps a little bit as well. So before each test, you need to let the sim run until the timer reaches 20 at regular conditions. So you just need to click play and you're just going to let it run until we get to the time of 20. So 20 is right over here at the top of the screen. You want to pay attention to the energy that's getting moved in and out of Earth systems and the atmosphere, as well as the ice. Okay. When it gets 20, you're going to click pause. And then depending on which gas you are testing, because one partner could be testing nitrogen dioxide and carbon dioxide, another partner could be testing sulfur dioxide and methane. So you want to be careful. You want to talk with your partner about which one is going to do parts 1 and 2 or 3 and 4. So in this case, let's say I'm partner 1 or partner A, I'm going to increase the nitrogen dioxide. So in the simulation, all right, I've ran it 20 like a regular, normal, situation. I'm now going to increase the nitrogen dioxide to the maximum view. Notice how I leave everything else the same. I'm also going to put the little eye icon so I can see those molecules moving. And then I'm going to let it run until it reaches 40. And I want to pay attention to the energy absorbed by the surface. If it's getting absorbed a lot, it'll turn yellow and we'll see a lot less ice. If not, it'll stay the same and it may grow ice, okay? Once it reaches 40, okay, so right now I've reached 40, I'm going to look at the graph, which is at the bottom left-hand corner. And on the graph, I want to make sure I click temperature, surface ice, and absorbed energy, all right? And I want to look at all of these and compare the data trend in order to select the best option in the Google spreadsheet. So here, my nitrogen, when I increase the nitrogen dioxide, the energy absorbed by the surface, I'm going to look at my graph, look at the energy absorbed. Nothing really happened. It just kind of maintained this area here, even when I increased it. So I would probably, in the drop-down arrow, select did not change. Okay, then I look at temperature. Look at my graph at temperature. That's the black line here. Nothing really changed there as well. So I would select on the, here we go, on the temperature, did not change. And then the amount of ice. I look at the ice, which is blue. It stayed the same the whole time. So the ice did not change as well. So that's what I'm wanting in this area. So then the second time, I'm going to decrease nitrogen, which I misspelled nitrogen there, but that's okay. So for the second time, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to reset by clicking the little circle here. I'm going to let it run till 20. When it runs to 20, this time, however, I'm going to decrease the nitrogen. So that means I'm going to drop it down to 0 and see what happens there. You're going to do this 4 times with the gases, where you'll either increase or decrease and fill in the chart. Now, when you have the chart filled, I'm just going to select random options here. So mine are not correct because I'm just doing this really quickly. But when you have your chart filled, like I'm doing right here, okay, you're going to... All right, so when it's filled, you're going to take a screenshot of this data and you're going to put it into your Google notebook, your Earth Changing Climate Google Slides notebook, okay? And you're going to insert it at the bottom of, I believe, slide 16, and then talk to your partner about how your data is different, and then answer the questions on slide 17. If you have any questions at all, make sure you ask. Double check the directions and really, really pay attention to what's happening on the graphs with both the temperature, the surface ice, and the absorbed energy that's getting trapped in the atmosphere. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you again. So, bye.